If your eggs are sitting pretty on the counter, not in the fridge, you might just be in Europe. In Europe, eggs aren't refrigerated because they're specially treated. European eggs are washed with a harmless coating that keeps bacteria out and freshness in. This means they can be safely stored at room temperature. In the US, eggs are washed and sanitized, removing their natural protective layer, so they need to be kept cold to stay fresh. It's all about different safety standards and practices. Pretty cool, right? Next time you're in Europe, don't be surprised if you find eggs outside the fridge. That's just how they roll. If you found this Eggsplainer helpful, subscribe and share our channel for more fun travel tips. See you next time.